Good afternoon. My name is Vincent Dunlap, and I'm reporting the most stupid and dumb laws in these United States. Allegedly. Accused but not proven. Questionably true. Here is the law. Allegedly in the state of Alabama, it is illegal to play dominoes on Sundays. According to Alabama Criminal Code, Section 13A-12-1, it is illegal to race, hunt, play cards, or dominoes on a Sunday. A person can be charged anywhere from $10 to $100, jailed, or forced to do hard labor for no more than 3 months. This law was enforced so people were forced to stay in on Sundays and spend time with their family. All women's talk, 7 of America's strangest laws. I believe it to be for religious reasons. For as the First Amendment reads, Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof. As dominoes is a legitimate form of gambling, and most religions, including Christianity, prohibit gambling, including on their holy days, this law is an assault on the legal principle of separation of church and state. Therefore, an assault on the U.S. Constitution, therefore legally invalid, as constitutional law supersedes state, county, and or city law. I will try my best to make these laws sound as despicably stupid as possible. Please respond with your comments, updates, or positive criticism, including if I have missed anything. Please like, subscribe, and share. And yeah, we need to go through all the laws of our states and find out which ones are basically unconstitutional. Basically any law, from my point of view, that goes against the U.S. Constitution is a law of treason. So anyway, enjoy your day.